Okay, so I'm going to show you how to quickly make a multi-page PDF with Cam Scanner. So I'm going to fire up the app. It normally gives an advertisement in the beginning here, but sometimes it doesn't. So then I click on the camera and I take a photo of the piece of paper that I want to scan. I can adjust it now to the size I want. Then I press next. It'll crop it accordingly. And then I can give it a file name that I would like to, or when I press save, I can now give it a file name that's sensible. So I'm going to call this PDF multi-page. And just OK that. And then it says tap to add new pages. So I just tap to add new pages. And I can take another photo, crop it, I go next, and save again, save. And then keep going, adding new pages. And this time what I'm going to do is I'm going to hit the camera because it says create doc collage for multi-pages. I don't want to do that. I hit the camera, take another photo, go next again. And what you'll see when I save it is that I've got all 3 pages in the one PDF. So now I go hit the PDF button, and it'll say remove watermark if I want to. It doesn't matter that the watermark is there, that's fine. And then now I can just hit share, and it'll give me the option of either sharing it to Canvas, or I can, which will load it directly as your assignment, or I can email it to myself, and then from there I can load it up on my computer and submit it up to Canvas. So I'm just going to leave that be for now. Okay, hope that helps. Bye.